Hey guys, Sergi here. Just wanna bring up the next one of Alpha Games, and it's called Coinway. This one is pretty much fun to play. So this is the game. You have this little warrior and you need to beat up all these red warriors. You're starting with the level 1. If your level equals to the level of red warrior, you will beat them up. If your level is less than this red warrior, you will lose. The fun thing is that they provide you some features, but you don't need anything of that. Basically, you start a game and you will pick up these weapons and armors, and you're good to go. You will have enough levels to beat all these guys. I found this game is more interesting than the previous ones. So as I see, it doesn't matter what level you are playing, the levels are pretty much the same. They change a little bit, but you will notice that they are the same. And don't forget the alpha game thing, that after each level you have to watch ads. And as always, let's check cash out. I'm trying a new microphone, so my voice sounds a little bit weird. So I have requested 6 cents and here I have received it. So all work as expected, since we have checked previous alpha games and all worked, so I didn't expect this to fail. Enjoy this game. Let me know which one is your favorite out of all alpha game subs. Have a good day.